Are you tired of taking the same dishes in your lunchbox every day? Cooked is here to help you with our Lunchbox series. Simple, easy to prepare, delicious, and most importantly, nutritious lunchbox recipes. I'm Adi. In this episode of Lunchbox series, we'll be preparing an Indian lunchbox with Methi Roti, Kheema Masala, and Boondi Raita. Let's get started. We'll start by making the dough for Methi Roti. I'm adding 1 cup of wheat flour, 2 finely chopped garlic cloves, 1 green chilli finely chopped, half a cup of finely chopped methi leaves, quarter teaspoon of salt, and about a teaspoon of oil to get a smooth dough. Start mixing the dough, kneaded by adding a few sprinkles of water at a time. Knead it into a smooth dough, cover and rest the dough for 15 to 20 minutes. We'll start making the dough balls. Dust it with a little flour and roll it flat using a rolling pin. Add the rolled flat dough to a hot tawa. Cook the base side for a few seconds and flip. Add a teaspoon of ghee and flip again. Add ghee on the other side too. Cook until both sides are properly done. The rotis are ready. Now we'll start preparing the Kheema Masala. First, we shall boil the eggs in a saucepan. I'm adding the eggs and covering it with water. Close the lid of the saucepan and bring the water to a boil and cook for 9 minutes to make perfect hard-boiled eggs. Peel the eggshells and grate the boiled eggs. In a pan, add a teaspoon of oil, quarter teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 finely chopped onion, one tomato finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, and saute until the onions and tomatoes are cooked. Add half a teaspoon of red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala powder, and quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. We'll also add salt to taste. Mix everything and cook the spices. Add quarter cup of water and the grated eggs. Add another quarter cup of water to combine everything together. Add 2 teaspoons of coriander leaves and mix. Let's remove this from the heat. Kheema masala is done. Now let's start making the Boondi Raita. For this, let's soak quarter cup of bundi in water for 10 minutes. In another bowl, add half a cup of curd and whisk until smooth. Add some salt, a pinch of red chilli powder, a pinch of cumin powder, a pinch of chaat masala, and a teaspoon of coriander leaves. Using a whisk this to combine everything. Squeeze the water from the bundi and add it to the raita. Boondi Raita is also done. Now let's start packing these in a lunchbox. In the first box, we'll pack the Methi Roti. In the next box, let's add the egg Kheema Masala. In the last box, let's add the Boondi Raita. There you have it, a simple, delicious and a nutritiously balanced lunchbox. For the proteins, we have the eggs, for the carbohydrates, we have the roti, and for the vegetables and greens, we have methi added to the roti, and for the dairy source, we have Boondi Raita. That's it for today. See you in the next episode.